Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to add game to Anbernic RG35XX. Okay, so guys, we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, to add the game to your Anbernic RG35, you all need to follow this step. Remove the micro SD card. Take out the micro SD card from the TF1 slot or TF2 slot for a 2 SD card setup. Okay, and then copy the ROM files. Transfer the ROM files to the SD card into the appropriate folder that correspond to the system of the game, and then eject the SD card. Safely eject the SD card and reinsert it back into the device. Most firmware will automatically detect the new game upon booting up. Okay, and then compress the ROM optional. Okay, consider the compressing the ROMs to save the space on your SD card, especially useful for PS1 game. Okay, and then BIOS files. Some game console emulated by RG35XX required BIOS files. Place the necessary BIOS files on the SD card under the ROMs or BIOS folder. Okay. So this is the all step. Thanks guys. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.